Alamin natin mga
Tingnan natin yung mga judges. Gusto ko marinig.
komentary ng mga judges.
Palagay ko, pupurihin ng gusto si Anjo.
Palagay ko, alamin natin. Unahin natin si Fritzy Y. Fritzy Y, what can you say?
I was totally shocked. And I was doubly shocked. Dahil akala ko, nag-guess nyo na ngayon, si Tintoy at si Don Pe. But overall, it was pretty okay for me.
Fritzy, Dennis muna. Dennis.
Ang masasabi ko dun sa performance nila, sobrang na-entertain ako dahil bukod sa may comedy, merong mga may init na sayawan at hindi lang puro sayawan. Kumbaga, iba-iba yung makikita. Mahirapan kami mag-decide kung sino mananalo. Good luck, good luck.
Ito, gusto marinig. Direct Fritz.
Now, I also was shocked.
Siyak, yan ang na-siyak. Ayun.
In one word, my dear, why the why? When you what the hell are you doing? What? And I like the idea. I like you when you said that the transition.
That is true.
Shut up. Okay, I will shut up when you're talking. The transition is nice when they have dialogue in between the songs. That's right. Ang ganda, you agree? But at the end, it is pathetic.
Thank you, thank you.
Patay. Patay.
Get out. I will.
Magkaalaman na. Bago natin malaman ang resulta ng laban ng blue at yellow, sa Lunes, abangan niyo po kung isa na kayo sa nanalo ng laptop, cellphone with iPad, o kaya naman cash.
Yung mga nag-text sa ano, ha? Mga nag-text sa...
Ano na?
Sa blue.
Yun yung mga nag-text sa yellow at blue. And now, to announce the winner, Direct Fritz, ikaw ba mag-announce? Dito ka na, Direct. Direct Fritz has the results.
Wait. This is totally unfair. I want to be the one to announce. What?
Bakit?
Hindi ba sinabi ko sa'yo, tama na yan? Kaya nga, pero kanina pa, dapat ako naman, palagi na lang ikaw ang nag-announce. Boss, ako ang direktor. Ay, hindi ako makakapag... Ikaw, asumot ka lang. No, I don't think so. I am somebody. Can we get rid of this guy? Can somebody get rid of him?
Why don't you get rid of him?
Hold this. What are you... What? Oh, hey. Ikaw, what?
Tingnan mo na. Boy!
Hey! Oh my goodness. Fritz, why?
Sobra naman, bumaligtad.
Itinapon si Fritz, why?
Ang lakas mo pala.
Oh,
You are not a man. You are a monster. Sinabi ko sa'yo, umaksak ka lang rito. Bakit ka tumating hanggang dyan? Arte mo talaga. You also...
Oh! That's enough.
Ano lakas dito?
Ano sa natin? Fritz. Direct, ikaw na mag-announce.
Ay, ako ang direktor. I know. You don't need to tell me. With an average score of 88.66, our champion is the Yellow Team!
Ay! Nanalo ang pathetic team. Tinalo ang boring team. Nanalo ang pathetic team.
At itong...
Congratulations to the yellow team.
Yung... Masisira daw yung lechon. Ipamimigay na yung lechon. Wala na. Pamimigay na yung lechon.
Congratulations and thank you, Direct Fritz.
Magbabalik
Fritz
pa
Y. Are you okay, Fritz Y?
Exactly as I predicted. Sila ang alam kong mananalo.
Magbabalik pa po ang Itbulaga.
I want to thank him very much. Thank you,
daw.
Michael B. Thank you very much, Direct Fritz. You're fabulous.
Okay. Ano, talo kayo. Talo. Wala.